Hello everybody, welcome back to the series on Indian mathematics, Ganitha Ratna Kosha. We will continue looking at multiplications of special cases. In the previous video, we saw how to multiply with 11 and 9. I find that they are very useful when I am trying to calculate 10% increase and 10% decrease of a given quantity. Similarly, now let us look at multiplying by 101 and 99. Now 101 and 99 multiplication by 101 and 99 is very useful when you are trying to calculate a 1% increase or a 1% decrease of a given quantity. So let us look at multiplying by 101 first. It is very similar to the multiplication by 11. So for example, if I have 2 digits, it is very simple. I just repeat the 2 digits next to each other when I multiply by 101. So the answer is, if 24 is being multiplied by 101, it is 2424 will be the answer. If it is only 2 digits, you just repeat the digits. If it is a 3 digit or a bigger number, I first start making groups of, for example, of 2 digits from the right. So there are 2 groups of digits here, 8 and 76. Now then I will write the product from left to right as, first I write 8, first part is 8 on the left, then the next part is 8 plus 76, I add the parts, and the last part is 76. So in a way it is very similar to the process of multiplying by 11. So this is 8, and each part will have 2 digits because we are multiplying by 101. So this is 8, 76 and 8 is 84, 76. So this is the product of 876 by 101. Similarly, if I have a bigger number, I start making groups of 2 digits from the left. So there are 3 groups here, 3, 0, 9 and 14. So I start from the left, leftmost is 3, then is 3 plus 9, then 9 plus 14, and then the last part 14 itself. Now each part can have 2 digits, so it is 3, then 12. There is no passing of digit because each part is having 2 digits. It is 23 and then 4. So 312 2314 is the product of 30914 by 101. Similarly, I can extend this process by multiplying by 99, because 99 is, if I write in vinculum form, 99 is 10 bar 1, that is 99. So if I use a similar process, so if it is a 2 digit number, I just write 23 first, if I am multiplying 23 by 99, and then bar 23. So it's repeat the digits with a bar for 2 digits, and so this will be 2 2 7 7. If I take the complement of 23, so that's how I write the product of multiplication by 99 of a 2 digit number. If it's a bigger number, I again form groups of 2 digits starting from the left, and then say first part is 8 itself, then the next part is the difference in the reverse order, right side group minus the left side. So it is 29 minus 8, and then the last part, group 29 with a bar. So this becomes 8 2 1, again each part has 2 digits, bar 29. So this becomes 8 2 0 7 1. So this is the product of 829 by 99. One more example of a slightly bigger number. So as usual, I always make parts of 2 digits, that is 72 is one group, 92 is one group, and 10 is the other group. So I have 4 groups of digits multiplying by 99, and I start from the left, 4 on the left, then it is 10 minus 4. So because I am always subtracting in this order, then it is 92 minus 10, then it is 72 minus 92, and then 72 with a bar on top. Like very similar process to multiplying by 9. So this will be 4, 10 minus 4 is 6, but it has to be written as a 2 digit number, so it will be 406. 92 minus 10 is 82, 72 minus 92 is bar 20 minus 20, and then you have bar 72. So now this is a vinculum I convert it to normal. So this becomes 40681. Complement of 2072 is 7928. So this big number is the product of given number with 99. So this way I can use this multiplication technique to calculate 1% increase. If I am multiplying, then I am multiplying by 101. If it is 1% decrease, I am multiplying by 99, and then use the replace the decimals appropriately. So as usual, I have given some problems to try in the notes. Please do try them out, and we will also be uploading the solutions on the website. And please do write to me for any clarifications or suggestions. Thank you.